You will thank me for this recipe. Place a layer of Jaffa biscuits in the springform pan. Add powdered sugar to the bowl with cream cheese and mix a little. Pour in the whipping cream and mix into a firm cream. Put part of the cream into the pan. Pour Fanta into the saucepan. Add starch and mix well. Boil the jelly until it thickens. Pour the jelly into the bowl and cool for 30 minutes. Put a few tablespoons of jelly over the cream layer. Mix gently with the back of the spoon. Fill the pan, alternating layers of cream and the jelly from the Fanta. Mix gently. Level the layer with a spatula and put the pan in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Melt the dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Cover the cream layer with chocolate glaze. Cut the glazed biscuits into pieces. Decorate the cake with pieces of biscuits and put the pan in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Put ice in the glass. Add pieces of orange. Put orange pulp in the blender. Pour in water. Blend the orange juice with the blender. Pour the juice into the glass. Add fruit tea. With an intense Fanta taste, the cake with superb decoration won over all the guests at the festive table.